I want to get this one out of the way quickly. Fiverr works. What doesn't work is uploading 1 gig, waiting 2 weeks, and then declaring the platform is broken. I've earned over 800,000 Rand, and that's over $40,000 from Fiverr alone. Not from being some social media guru, not from selling my soul somehow, but from voiceover work, music production, and creative systems. The same stuff most people say doesn't sell on the platform. It does sell. The next thing to take note of is this. When people say Fiverr doesn't work, what they usually mean is, I'm going out on a limb here, is that I didn't get the immediate traction. I expected clients to come knocking. I posted a gig, then forgot about it. Or I got 1 bad review and gave up. Or I'm not comfortable marketing myself. None of those are Fiverr's fault. I started slow and I started very, very cheap. My first few orders were very, very small, small voiceovers here and there, cheap mixing jobs, but I refined my profile. I added a gig video. I optimized my gig descriptions. I added real samples. I improved those samples and treated my Fiverr inbox like it was a business line. Soon, I had consistent repeat clients. Then I got bulk orders. Then I raised my rates and people still booked. So no, Fiverr's not broken. What's broken is the belief that platforms owe you visibility just because you're talented and you signed up. You don't get rewarded for showing up. You get rewarded for solving problems, clearly, consistently, and professionally. If you're serious about freelance success, here's what you need to do today. Revisit your profile. Does it speak to the client's problem? Or is it just another, here's what I do bio? Add portfolio examples, real examples, right? Not promises, you need real proof. Answer every message like it's a potential $1,000 client, because eventually one of them will be. The next thing to take note of is that Fiverr is a system, and systems reward those who build them properly. I've delivered 900 orders now with a very, very high completion and on-time rating. Why? Because I set boundaries, templates, and automations, and I respond like clockwork, even when life is chaotic. I've met other sellers who check their profile maybe twice a day. I have the app on my phone, and when the request for a voiceover comes in, I respond straight away. That's just how I run my things. And I'm comfortable because I built it that way. Fiverr's not your boss, it's your digital storefront. And just like a real shop, if your sign is broken or your display is messy or you never open your doors, people are just going to walk past your shop. Fiverr doesn't work is something people say when they want the reward without the reps. But if you stack those reps, learn the platform properly, and actually deliver value, you can turn Fiverr into a full-time income or a powerful side hustle, depending on what you want. It just depends on how much you want to win. If you want help, I've got videos on gig optimization, how I built my Fiverr side hustle from scratch, what to charge, how to respond to tricky clients, and how I stack Fiverr with voiceover, sync, and content to make this all work like one long-term business. So before you log off this platform and write your 7th Fiverr's a scam tweet, do the real work. Make the changes. Get back in the game because Fiverr works if you do. Peace.